Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA C01 Plus, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications and find the screen recording toggle. Now there's a chance that it won't be added by default, which it is the case for me. So in this case, you need to click on this pencil right here and then scroll down and you'll find your screen recorder toggle somewhere here. For me, it is exactly right over here. Once you see it, hold it and then drag it over to the top and drop it. And when you go back, it will be now visible on one of the pages. So you can see it right here. Now, all you need to do is just tap on it. And this will give us a couple options. We can record audio, microphone, device audio, or both. I'm gonna select device audio. Once you choose either one of those, it will turn it on. And obviously if it's off, it won't record any audio. And then below that we have show touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. I'm going to enable this just so you can see how that looks like on the recording. From there we're going to select start. This will begin a 3-second countdown, and then with the vibration it's going to start recording. So whatever applications you will open right now will be recorded. And there is one, there we go, it's here. One that I want to showcase just because it's not absolute. Guess I don't have internet connection? No, I do. So yeah, I'm opening up Netflix for a specific purpose because it's one of those scummy applications that come pre-installed on your device, but then also have a little bit too much control over it. So pay attention that there is a bunch of stuff visible right now on the screen associated with Netflix, like for instance the signing button, which is right over here. I'm gonna circle it just so it's visible. Anyway, now that it's done, let's stop the recording. So we're gonna pull down our notifications, tap to stop. Oh, there we go. And this will save your screen recording to your Photos application or gallery, whatever we have right on here, which is the gallery. Once you open it up, it should be visible right at the front. For me, it's right over here, but there might be an easier way to find your screen recordings later down the line if you want to go back and find ones that you have captured some time ago. You could do so by going into the folders, and here you'll find movies. And you can play it back from here. Now, the reason I was opening up Netflix is because, like I said before, it has a little bit too much control over your device. And one of those things that it has control over, isn't it playing? Did the phone freeze? Come on. Please play. Pretty please. Oh, there we go, now it's playing. I'm not sure why I didn't want to start off. Okay, so you can see it now. So like I said, it has a little bit too much control, and that control extends to basically being able to figure out what you're doing on your device, which is creepy all in its own. But the second thing is it just literally blocks some of the functions of the device, like the screen recording, which you can see right about now. There was a page with a bunch of content here, but Netflix just decided to show you a middle finger and told you you're not going to use the device the way you want to because it's not your device. So yeah, I'm just gonna point that out because it's the most effing scummy thing that is happening now. So you can see I was circling the sign-in option. There's no reason why an application should have control like this over your device. And just to explain this feature, because it is technically a feature that might be actually useful, just not when it comes down to these cunty little applications like Netflix, where greedy corporate and all that shit. So the reason for this feature to actually exist in Android is for apps like, as an example, bank applications, to be able to protect your privacy, your data, your money specifically from unwanted gaze, let's just say. So hypothetical situation, you might be downloading some kind of malware on your device. That malware decides to screen a snip what you're doing, what kind of pins you use for your bank applications and all that stuff. And then well and behold, you log into your application and your money is gone. But with this kind of feature where it's blocking screen recorders or any kind of unwanted gaze on the application outside of just being displayed on a screen, this would basically prevent it. Because said malware that is trying to spy on you would not be able to see it. Now, where it doesn't matter or doesn't make sense to have such a feature is for places like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, and all that other shit that basically is designed just to gather as much data on you and basically remove your privacy altogether, which is kind of hilarious because this is a privacy feature that is utilized against you. So that's why I'm pointing that out, because it's just something that is annoying. And additionally, there is no option for you to change it, which that is also a big no-no. That's something that you should have control over, but you don't. So if you ever encounter this kind of recording that you have captured, where it's just a black screen, whatever it may be, just know you don't have control over this. It's a black screen, and that's all you're gonna get. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.